Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Flightradar app not working. So let's get started. So here we can see the Flightradar app. I will just open it here. Okay. So if it's not work, you have to follow this uh, solution. So then you have to press and hold it here. Just click on the I button, and then you have to scroll down and click on the storage. Then you have to click on the clear data. Just clear the data, and then you can use it. So if it's not work after then also, then you have to check for the update. Okay, just go to the search button and search for the flight. Here search for the flight trader app. So at here if you just click on here, then we'll just click on the here at the update option and you can update it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.